Going on, Brooklyn and Beyond, Brooklyn Jimmy, BrooklynJimmy.com, and Prime Day is here. Prime Day is here. So I just want to look at a few things that we can actually get that's worth it. And look, they got one right here, and I can look at it right now. So let's jump on this GoPro Hero 13 Black. And I think actually on the the GoPro website, you can, I think you need this. I don't know if you need the subscription or not, but it's also $100 off there too. So I'll put all the affiliate links below so you can have them. But yeah, right here, GoPro Hero 13 Black, $100 off. And you can get the different bundles. Oh, the action bundles and the action bundle. Also $329. That's not bad. So for the same price as just getting the regular GoPro, you get this action bundle. Is that the GPS? What is that? Oh, it's a shutter remote. Okay, it's a remote. Okay, so I guess if you're swimming, you hit that. All right, cool. See, so that's a good deal. The H3 bundle. What does that come with? H13 bundle. Oh, this comes with the floaty handle. Oh, you get the forest green one also. Ooh, for $13.99. Well, 329. Sorry, what am I saying? And the white one, which is a limited one. Oh, so the green and the white one are limited edition ones, but you can get them both $329. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah, I'm not adding it to my cart though, but yeah, that's a pretty good deal. All right, so what else is something else that I would like to get? One right here. This is the joint. Like I said, I'm not spending any money though this time around, but if I did, this right here for the Z mount, the Viltrox 75mm 1.2 lens, $464. Oh my goodness. If I had some extra money to burn, I would throw it in my cart and just buy it right before I go to bed. But yeah, this is a great deal. That's because it's usually like 580 right there. Yeah, that's a great deal. I think Viltrox, if you go to the Viltrox website, I think they're also having like their own sale. I think everything's like 20 30% off. Something like that. So yeah, so maybe you want to hit up Viltrox on itself by themselves on their own website, but if you're just doing Amazon Prime Day, you want that 2-day shipping, yo, you gotta hit this up. Because they also have it for it's not just for the Nikon. Do they have the other versions here? 75 1.2. I think this is all Nikon, but you can get it for Fuji and I believe for Sony also. But this here is the Nikon version. And you get such pretty pictures with it too. I know they say you get a little bit of flaring when you aim it directly at the sun, but I don't take pictures of the sun, so I don't think it'd be a problem for me. And I don't take portraits either, so I really just like to take pictures of stuff, not in the sun. All right, what we got next? All right, here we go, right here, right here. DJI has a lot of products that are really hard to get. But right here, you got the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the one I got. I just got it back. I had to get it repaired. They sent it back this week. I got it. It's working fine. Usually $300. I think I got mine for like 220. But right now, Prime Day deal, $209. You cannot get any better than that. This camera is just as good as my GoPro Hero 12 Black. It's smaller. You can plug USB-C microphones directly into it, and it's a little bit better in, well, compared to the GoPro, it's better, way better in low lights. Not great, but it's better in low light. And for $200, just about 210, that's a great price. But then also their DJI Neo. What? Usually $200, you get a $40 discount here. Can't go wrong with that. What about the DJI Air 3? This is with the N1 or N2 controller. Not the RC controller, but still get a good discount under $1,000. Great drone, 2 cameras, no one in sensor, but this one is a pretty solid drone. Pretty solid drone. If you and as hard as it is to get drones right now from DJI, I would snatch this up for under $1,000. It's a great deal. This, the Osmo Pocket 4, we're not even going to talk about that. It's on sale, but it's like not on sale because the price went up. So yeah, and oh, it's not even on sale. Prime Day, no Prime Day. So I wouldn't even, yeah, I wouldn't even rock with that. Not for this time around. What else they got for DJI here? It's the same thing. No deals on the Flip. I don't even hear people talking about the Flip anymore. All right, so you know what? Let me go. Oh, let's see. The mic's on. No, the mic's not on sale. All right, now let's check something else. All right, so if you've been following me before or you passed by one of my pages before, you see I'm really big on these Boya mini microphones. They're usually $60. The USB-C one, that's what I'm actually using right now. So what you hear me speaking on, I'm on a laptop, but I'm using the Boya Mini USB-C. I have the Boya Mini TRS. I'll put the link in that one too, but you can't get it on Amazon. You can get it from the Boya website. But here, what you're hearing right now, $60 microphone, they're selling for $40. You get the two. I use it on the Action 4, use it on the laptops, use it on my cell phone. They're really, really, really solid microphones, even though they're so small. Then you have their, I think this is the smart one with the noise cancellation. Let's jump in and see it. Yeah, I think this is the one with their smart cancellation. I haven't tried this one, but get a few bucks off on it. And here you can get the 3.5 millimeter TRS one too. Let me see. Do they have the TRS here finally? Do they? Lightning. See? Oh, yeah, just the Lightning and the USB-C. But you can get the white one too. Oh, this one comes with both. And instead of $76, you pay $55 and change. That's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, not much of a discount. Well, I guess from $70 down to 51. But this here, Type C. Everybody got Type C. Even new iPhones got Type C. So, yeah, that's a great deal. What else we got here? Yeah, they got some other deals. I know they got the other little Boya mics, but all right. Ooh, Hollyland. Oh, but no sale. Hollyland Lark A1. I know that's not the circle one that everybody loves. All right. You know what? But let me go search for my other favorite microphones. Prime Day Ceremonic Air. It's a brand new microphone, so I don't think this is gonna be on sale, and it's not. Still a great microphone. I've seen all the reviews. I touched it at the B&H Expo, but never got to use it yet. What do they have here? Ceremonic, that's Hollyland. Oh, Hollyland. That's not on sale. That's not on sale. Nothing from Ceremonic on sale. This, oh, the 4-channel mic one. Yeah. Yeah. More Boya. Hollyland. Okay, so I guess no deals for Ceremonic. They probably have it on their own website, their own discounts, but nothing really here on Amazon. All right, what's next? All right, let's see. Insta360, you got any deals for us? X5, no discount. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, you can get the X3, which is what I have, which is also coming back from repair, just like the DJI Action 4, except I just had a cracked lens on this. And it's $300 now, so you get $50 off. Insta360 never really gives you any great discounts. Suction cup mounts. The X4. The X4 is I guess that's a good deal. You get $150 off. That's a good deal. That's a good deal right there. Yeah, I think that's a good deal. So I'm sorry for bashing you, Action. I mean, Insta360, but what about the action cameras? Ace 2. Ace 2 is a few bucks off too. That's not bad. Wait, it's a 2, right? Yeah, it is a 2. All right. Yeah, that's not so bad. Get it's just about 70 bucks off. But at that price, I'd rather get the X4. Yeah, I'd rather get the X4 at that price. Yeah. And the Action 5 is probably better than that one, but even not on sale, it's still I'd rather it's still cheaper than the Ace Pro 2. Okay. And even the Go 2 is expensive, costs more than the Action 5. But of course, we like the little footprint. All right. What else we got here? Oh, that's their webcam, $99. Yeah, so I was never a big fan of Insta360 deals. All right, let's get into my cameras. Nikon. Oh, another Viltrox one. I think there was on the list there too. 16 millimeter 1.8 was 580, just like the 75 millimeter 1.2, and 464, same price. I want to see the cameras. Do they got any cameras? I doubt they have any cameras on discount. Nikon has discounts all year round. But I don't think they're gonna do the Amazon Prime discounts. Yeah, I don't see any. I don't think I'm gonna see any Nikon discounts here. Yeah, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing there. All right, so I think that's all for now. Those were. Oh wait, you know what? Hold up. Always gotta check storage. Always gotta check storage. 1 terabyte, $77. That's great. I might before this is done. I might try and invent it. Where's a two? Where's a 2 terabyte one? I got plenty of these things. I don't really need those right now. Don't need that for my camera. 4 terabytes, a little too pricey still. It's a great discount. Great discount. Don't get me wrong. 4 terabytes, but I'm looking for something under 200 bucks. Do they have the 2 terabyte? 2 terabyte. I mean, it's a fast one, so but still, I don't need to transfer files fast. I'm not in a rush. It's not a race. Yeah, that one's too fast. Where's the regular one? 1 terabyte. Well, like I said, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna put everything in the description. Yeah. Ooh, that's not bad. But I don't have anything that can really put it in. I got rid of my Mavic 3 Pro. So yeah. Oh, wait a second. Let me look that up. Hold up. All right, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. They got some options here. No sales though. Yeah, like I said, these DJI drones are getting harder to reach. So if you can get them, get them. I just sold my DJI Mavic 3 Pro. So yeah, Mavic 4. You can get the Mavic 4. I don't trust that. But I ain't also not paying 5 grand. I guess no Mavic 3 Pro. All right, no Mavic 3 Pro, no discount. You get cases for discount. You get this other mini Pro from Tensic, whatever. Add them too. It's just like the DJI Mini 4. I mean, not Mini 4, the 4K. They're very similar. Very similar. And yeah, I mean, I guess that's a decent price. Decent price. Get a good discount on there. No Avada sales. All right, cool. Let's go back to the home, and we look at a few more things, and then we out. All right, these are things I looked at already. Sales on computers and accessories. Oh, there we go. Power. We always need power because I saw some of these things here. Where's that anchor? I might have to go to my shopping cart. I think I can find it better over there. Oh wait, here we go. yeah. Prime Day deal. See that right there? 46% off. 46% off. And how much is for the solar power ones? How much you get off for the solar power ones? Do you get off? What is this? That's not the solar power one. Oh, I guess is it? You got a solar generator, and I guess it has an extra part on it. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I was thinking about this one here, and how much you get off with this one. Ooh, 46%. That's a great deal. Because I was thinking about getting a power thing. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not spending this time around yet, except unless I can get that SanDisk 2 terabyte for under $200. But this right here, I was thinking about getting something like this because we had a blackout earlier this year, and I had an old Anchor one that had outlets on it. It was just a little portable one. Well, not a little portable one. It was probably like 9 inches by 6 inches by 2 inches. And I charged it fully, made sure it was charged fully, but I guess the batteries inside were no good, so I had to use the other Anchor that I had, the little one that has like the glass cover. I forgot what it's called, but that one held us down. We were able to keep the phones charged nicely, and I was able to charge my laptop and brought it to the car when I needed to charge it up one more time. We were out for like a day and almost a half. But I was like, yo, I gotta invest in something like this. I know DJI has their own too, but yeah, this is a great deal, I think. What else? What else they got for Anchor? Oh, Blue Yeti. How much of it? Ooh, so that's 60% off. Same power. That is 2600 watts, 1800 watts. Ooh, might be a better deal. 699. 429. It's more, but got more wattage. Yeah, so this is a Blue Yeti this is a good deal too. Let's see how much for these ones. How much you get up for this? Yeah, that's great. And this with the solar, more watts, watt hours. Overall, this is expensive, but it's a good discount. I would still probably rock with Anchor because I'm cheaper. All right, so I think that's it. Of course, Amazon got all their stuff on discount. Not the great stuff, but the stuff. And I've been looking at this. Nothing to do with cameras, all that stuff, but I mean, it has a camera on it. One of those interactive games, sort of like the Wii, you know. And it's $50 off. I thought about it, but not this time around. Maybe for Christmas. Hopefully the price drops. I think that's all I want to look at. I don't think there's anything really to the main thing I wanted was that Viltrox 75mm 1.2. But that's all for me for now. All right. Like I said, I'll put all the links down below for everything we looked at. Brooklyn salute. Have a great Amazon Prime few days. All right, I'm out.